A young man from Jamaica is recovering in a Valley hospital tonight after receiving the gift of life. 22-year-old Sid Andrew Halsey was brought to Phoenix by the Gift of Life Foundation to repair a hole in his heart. And as 3TV's Frank Camacho shows us, surgery was a success.
And I have the chance to play soccer.
It'll be a while before Sid Andrew will be playing soccer. He just survived 5 hours of heart surgery to repair the hole that was threatening to shorten his life.
Let's say his heart is already, here in pictures from about here to here, whereas normally it'd be more like here to there. And gradually, as the heart gets bigger, he would develop heart failure problems.
If Sid Andrew had been born in the United States instead of Jamaica, he would have received the surgery while he was still a baby. Instead, it took the intervention of the group Gift of Life to bring him to Banner Good Samaritan Hospital and the life-giving operation.
So thanks, American, and thank you people, the Good Samaritan and the Gift of Life, to save my son's life.
To bring him to Banner Good Samaritan Hospital and the life-giving operation.
One of Rotary's goals is to promote world peace, and if we can do it one heart at a time, we'll take it that way.
I'm Frank Camacho for 3TV.
And as soon as he's able, Sid Andrew plans to enter a culinary institute in his native Jamaica to become a chef. If you'd like to know more about the Gift of Life Foundation, call our hotline or log on to our website, AZFamily.